Hello cherry lovers, I'm back in the kitchen again with another amazing recipe. It's called crock-pot chicken fajitas, so stay tuned. Hello cherry lovers, so let's get started. If you guys haven't figured out by now, I love using the crock pot. The crock pot is quick, it's simple, it makes putting the ingredients together so much easier. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start telling you what my ingredients are. It's only 5 simple ingredients. It's pretty easy. We've got yellow and orange and green bell peppers. We've got taco seasoning. We've got mild traditional salsa. Now, if you like it a little more spicy, if you like a little more kick, then you can use the hot salsa. We also have 2 pounds of chicken breast. You can use, basically I use 2 large chicken breasts, and that actually is enough. And then 1 medium to large onion, depending on what your preference is. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get started cutting everything up. And you wanna cut the onions up pretty thin, pretty finely chopped. You don't want them to be too thick. Okay, let's do some peppers. Now you can buy the large green peppers. I have the large green peppers here, or you can buy the large orange and yellow red peppers. I just bought the smaller ones because you actually get this large bag of organic orange and yellow green peppers for, it was quite a bit cheaper. It's a little more work to cut it up yourself, but to save the money, because organic is not cheap, as most of you already know, unless of course you grow your own garden. Okay, this is our last piece of pepper, and I'm going to slice the rest of this up, and then we're going to layer the ingredients into the crock pot. Really simple, really quick, really easy. That's why I love using the crock pot. It's quick and simple. Now what we want to do here, I'm going to add my peppers. Let's layer, mix the onions. The color is beautiful. The smell is amazing. And all of these flavors will simmer and cook together. Now what I'm going to do is layer. I've got my chicken breast. Remember, 1 to 2 pounds, which equals out for me 2 large chicken breasts. Just layer your chicken breast up there. That one's kind of stuck. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the taco seasoning and spread it over top of the chicken. The entire pack. And the last ingredient is the salsa. The amount of salsa is a 16-ounce jar. but you don't want to use the entire jar. Almost all of it, maybe 3/4 of it. And spread that out a little bit. And that's all you do. That is so simple. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in the end. Okay, now that we've got all the ingredients in the crock pot, there's a couple of things you can do with the chicken breast. At the end, you can shred it with a fork, or you can take the chicken breast out and chop it up into chunks. Either way, it'll be great. And once it's done, you have to cook this on high for either 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. And I'll show you at the end some of the different toppings you can have, the shells you can use, and again, it's really quick, really simple, and it's very, very good. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in about 4 hours. Okay, just been cooking for about 4.5 hours. I got some of the chicken out. I'm gonna take the rest of it out, and then we're gonna shred it. Oh, it smells so good. The vegetables, the peppers and the onions have all cooked down. And we're gonna take this out. Let's see, is there any more chicken in there? Oh, that smells so good. Okay, let's see about shredding it. Let's pull it apart. Oh yeah, that's nice and juicy, nice and tender. It's coming apart pretty well there. Okay, I'll pull that all apart. And some of the different sides that you can have with this, you can have, I'm gonna have some sour cream. I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese on it. I'm going to, you also have, my daughter loves the avocado. She takes avocado slices and puts it in there. You can put some lettuce in there, or whatever your preference is. It's just whatever you like, whatever you want to put in there, you can put in there. Again, too, you don't have to necessarily shred the chicken like I'm doing. You can just chop it up into pieces. Also, there's a little extra broth in here. If you like a lot of broth, you can come over here and look in the pot and see that there's quite a bit of broth in there. If you like a lot of juice, a lot of broth, then you can leave that in there. Or if you don't, you can pour some of it off, but make sure that you put the chicken back in first before you, if you decide you want to pour off some of the broth or some of the juice, make sure that you put the chicken in first. So you'll see how much to pour off, and you might just want to leave it in there. Okay, that's shredding up very nicely there. That all shredded up. Ah, it smells so good.
I'm gonna chime in here. That looks good, smells good, and I'm ready to eat 2 or 3, whatever they are. Fajitas?
Yes, chicken fajitas, crock-pot chicken fajitas, and I'm very hungry also. I'm ready to eat up, and we're gonna have, I know we've got some peppers in here, but I'm gonna have a salad with mine. Would you like a salad with yours, Larry?
Yeah, we'll have salad.
Okay, all right, that's nice and shredded up there. Now we're gonna pour that chicken back into the pot. It's all ready. You don't have to let it cook any longer. Stir that up. Oh, looks so good. Smells so good. See that, guys? Very quick, very simple, very quick. Crock pot does all the work. I love the crock pot. Thank you guys for watching. Now we're gonna put it on our plate and serve it up. And let Larry be the taste tester again, of course.
Okay, cherry lovers, she's got this wonderful chicken fajita, and I'm gonna put some on my bun here, or whatever they call this, and wrap, put it on there like that. Of course, I put cheese on mine. You guys can put whatever you want, sprinkle a little cheese on it. She's probably gonna put some cream cheese on it. Sour cream, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna roll it up and I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know how it tastes. Like she said, the smell, fantastic. If you guys get a chance, try this. I'm sure, I don't even have to tell you, I'm sure it's good. No, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna right now. Wow. I'm telling you what, folks. That's a good recipe. Fantastic. Now, seeing how you watched all this video, you guys go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and hit that little red button and make it gray. Sure do appreciate it. Bye now.